Ba-dum, 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 bum, 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 ba-dum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, bum, ba-dum, bum, 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 ba-dum, bum, 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 ba-dum, bum, bum, bum. All right, time to get to some cooking. And now that I have such great ideas to make some pickle pancakes, I know exactly how to do them. Oop, sorry, little dude. I didn't mean to do that. How dare you? Yeesh, I'm sorry. Dang. Angry much? I will destroy you. I will end you. I will. Now you've crossed the line, you foolish bird. 12 minutes later. Oh, frick. Bing. Huh? That's weird. It's not working. Mom! Ah! Oh, you okay, little dude? Oh. Little dude? Little dude? Oh, thank God. You're alive. I thought you were dead. I thought I accidentally got you killed. What happened? Oh, well, while you were, while you were probably trying to kill me, the little oven thing kind of accidentally almost blew me up. Oh, but why'd you save me? I didn't want to see you die. Sure, you may have killed me, but I don't want to. You may have tried to kill me, but I didn't want you to die. Well, you're a good guy. Thanks for that. No problem. Anyways, if you're hungry, I got some food on me. Really? What? I got the pickle pancakes. Oh, thanks. That's all, folks.